Question number 1. Which is the busiest railway station in India? The correct answer is option C, Howrah Junction. Question number 2. Which European city is known as the City of Canals? The correct answer is option D, Venice. Question number 3. Which country is made up of over 17,000 islands? The correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Question number 4. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? The correct answer is option C, Africa. Question number 5. Which metal is commonly used in making aircraft bodies? The correct answer is option A, aluminium. Question number 6. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? The correct answer is option B, Finland. Question number 7. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? The correct answer is option C, vitamin C. Question number 8. How many bones are there in the adult human body? The correct answer is option A, 206. Question number 9. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? The correct answer is option D, France. Question number 10. What is the name of India's latest moon mission? The correct answer is option B, Chandrayaan-3. Question number 11. In which Indian state is the Thar Desert located? The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Question number 12. Which continent has the highest number of countries? The correct answer is option B, Africa. Question number 13. Which country has the most natural lakes? The correct answer is option D, Canada. Question number 14. Which desert is the coldest desert in the world? The correct answer is option A, Antarctica desert. Question number 15. What is the main gas responsible for global warming? The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Question number 16. Which country has the highest number of volcanoes? The correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Question number 17. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? The correct answer is option A, Ireland. Question number 18. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? The correct answer is option B, liver. Question number 19. How many chambers does the human heart have? The correct answer is option C, 4 chambers. Question number 20. What is the medical term for high blood pressure? The correct answer is option B, hypotension. Question number 21. What is the name of the largest bone in the human body? The correct answer is option D, femur. Question number 22. What is the condition caused by lack of oxygen in the blood? The correct answer is option C, hypoxemia. Question number 23. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? The correct answer is option C, 37 degrees Celsius. Question number 24. Which country has the largest population of Muslims? The correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Question number 25. Which lake is the largest freshwater lake by surface area? The correct answer is option B, Lake Superior. Question number 26. Which country was formerly known as Ceylon? The correct answer is option B, Sri Lanka. Question number 27. Which country was the first to give women the right to vote? The correct answer is option B, New Zealand. Question number 28. Which metal is commonly used to make electrical wires? The correct answer is option D, copper. Question number 29. Which country has won the most cricket World Cups? The correct answer is option A, Australia. Question number 30. Which gas is essential for human respiration? The correct answer is option C, oxygen.